Mastering emerging security threats. Breaches will happen, but only the prepared stay afloat. Which comprehensive incident response plans should we develop and implement to ensure that our organization responds promptly and effectively to data breaches, and also notifies affected parties, including customers, employees, or stakeholders, in a timely and transparent manner? To ensure prompt and effective response to data breaches, while also notifying affected parties in a timely and transparent manner, a comprehensive incident response plan should be developed and implemented. This plan should encompass the following key components. Incident Response Team, IRT. Establish a dedicated IRT consisting of representatives from various departments, including IT, security, legal, compliance, and communications. The IRT will be responsible for responding to data breaches, assessing the incident, containing the breach, eradicating the root cause, recovering from the incident, and notifying affected parties. Incident Classification and Notification. Develop a clear incident classification system to categorize breaches based on their severity and impact. Establish a notification process that ensures prompt notification of the incident to the IRT, senior management, and affected parties. Initial response, 0 to 1 hour. Upon discovery of a suspected breach, the IRT should activate incident response protocols. Isolate affected systems or networks to prevent further data exfiltration. Disconnect affected systems from the internet or network. Preserve logs and evidence. Begin assessing the incident to determine its scope, impact, and severity. Incident Assessment, 1 to 24 hours. The IRT should conduct a thorough assessment of the breach to determine the cause, scope, and impact. Identify affected data and systems. Evaluate the severity of the breach based on the classification system. Develop a preliminary incident report. Containment and Eradication, 24 to 48 hours. The IRT should implement measures to contain the breach and prevent further data exfiltration. Eradicate the root cause of the breach, such as patching vulnerabilities or removing malware. Verify the effectiveness of containment and eradication measures. Recovery, 48 hours 5 days. The IRT should restore affected systems and networks to a secure state. Implement post-incident security measures to prevent similar breaches. Conduct a thorough analysis of the incident to identify lessons learned and areas for improvement. Notification and disclosure, 5 to 10 days. The IRT should notify affected parties, including customers, employees, or stakeholders, in a timely and transparent manner. Provide clear and concise information about the breach, including the incident's cause, impact, and response. Offer support and resources to affected parties, such as credit monitoring or identity theft protection. Disclose the incident to regulatory bodies, law enforcement, and other relevant parties, as required by law or regulation. Post-incident activities, 10 to 30 days. The IRT should conduct a comprehensive post-incident review to identify areas for improvement. Implement changes to policies, procedures, and technical controls to prevent similar breaches. Provide training and awareness programs for employees and stakeholders. Review and update the incident response plan to ensure its effectiveness. Incident Response Plan Maintenance. Regularly review and update the incident response plan to ensure it remains effective and aligned with industry best practices and regulatory requirements. Conduct regular training and exercises with the IRT to ensure readiness and preparedness. Communication and stakeholder management. Establish clear communication channels and protocols for notifying affected parties, regulatory bodies, and other stakeholders. Ensure that all communication is timely, transparent, and in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. By implementing a comprehensive incident response plan that includes these components, organizations can ensure prompt and effective response to data breaches, while also notifying affected parties in a timely and transparent manner.